Hey, listen, most people have a tough time with visualization, but don't worry, we're going to make it easy for you step by step in this video. Hi and welcome, my name is Kartika Nair and you're watching Synchro Shakti. I'm a personal development coach and trainer and I've worked with thousands of people in the world and they've gotten near perfect results. So what I want to do today is show you how we do it step by step. But first, if you like videos that make your life a lot easier, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, but also hit the bell icon. The bell icon is extremely important, so make sure you're hitting that bell icon. So let's get started with the following tips. Now, always remember the following tips. Always remember these when it comes to visualization. The first tip is that visualization is actually just having fun. It is a live sense, live as in right now you're getting the sense of what it feels like to truly love and enjoy having your manifestation right now. Okay, so if you want something, have fun right now imagining that it's real, it's happening to you right now. So the good news about all of this is that visualization is just a skill, okay, just like any other skill. It's not that easy in the beginning, but when you practice it over time, you become a pro at visualizing. So if you want to be a pro at visualizing, firstly, we've got to stop this story in our heads that visualization is hard. Instead, I want you to affirm the opposite. Type in the comments right now if you're really interested in being really good at visualizing. Type in the comments saying visualization is easy. Why? When you put out an signature into the universe and you say visualization is easy for me, it becomes easy. When you get freaked out and you say I'm having a hard time, visualization is hard, it becomes harder. With anything in life, if you say it's hard, it's hard. If you say it's easy, it gets easier. This is a life lesson forever for you to remember. So I want you to comment below right now, visualization is easy. Let's start there. Good. Now that you've put out that signature into the universe, let's get into the next tip to remember with visualization. This is something that you must always do, and I say always. Always have a written description of what it looks like and feels like to have what you want. If you don't have a written description, it's very hard to get clear images of what to visualize when you're visualizing. So let's say, for example, you want to manifest your marriage. Just an example. Write down what it looks like to be at the wedding, which means you're getting very clear on what the costumes are like, whether you're wearing jewelry, what the heaviness of your costume, what is the heaviness of the jewelry, what is the temperature in the room, what are the expressions on people's faces, what is the expression on your partner's face, is it indoors or is it outdoors, is there a tree, are there multiple trees, is there a window? Go ahead and be very clear on what it looks like to be at the wedding right now. Look around the vision, look at what's on the left, what's on the right, what's behind us, what's in front of us. Get a clear written description of it before you start visualizing. You got this point? Okay, hopefully you did. Now we have to go to the next side. So far when you have a written description of what it looks like, that's called the electric signature. The images of seeing what it looks like is called the electric signature. This is not going to manifest anything, okay? What you need is you need to match it with a magnetic signature. What is that? Magnetic signature is the emotions or conditioning your physical body to feel the chemistry, the emotions of being at your wedding right now. Which means you're seeing what it looks like, but what does it feel like? So the feeling could be all that elevated emotions of feeling proud, feeling grateful, feeling blessed, feeling joyful, feeling so abundant, feeling grateful and happy to be in this moment. When you can feel that in your entire body, the current of that joy right now, as though you're at the wedding right now, that is the electromagnetic signature that you put into the quantum field. If you can have these two, this is very essential before you start visualizing. So get a written description of what it looks like and feels like before you start visualizing. The next step is, now that you know what it looks like and feels like, if you still can't visualize, if it's still hard to see the imagery, now what you can do is you can pick up some image from Google that represents your desire. For example, let's say it is money. You can have an image from Google of somebody being poured down, money pouring on that person. Or you can even Photoshop your own face on the face of the person who's receiving a lot of money, or you can draw yourself receiving a lot of money. Either way, this will give you a clear picture to start your visualization with. So far, if you're following me, go ahead and type in the comments, put out another signature into the universe by saying, I am a magnet. Okay? I am a magnet. I am a magnet for my desires. I am a magnet. Go ahead and type that in there, because this is how you're getting yourself ready to start visualizing. The next tip to do when it comes to visualization is always condition your body, which means the emotions in your body to feel as though it's happening to you now. A lot of people make the mistake of seeing the visualization as some future event that will happen to them in the future. They're seeing themselves in third party view, or they're like, you're seeing yourself in the vision instead of being yourself in the vision, right? The trick here is always condition your body to feel like you're in the experience right now. Not a future event, but right now. Right now you're at the wedding. Right now you got the $1 million check. Right now you're in the dream car. Right now you got the dream job letter. Right now you got that perfect email. Right now. You're conditioning your biochemistry, your emotions to feel the elevated emotion of having something as though it's happening right now. That is the key to true visualization. So if you understood this point, go ahead and type, it's mine now. Okay, the whole reason I'm making you type this firstly is because it helps me understand you're understanding this. Secondly, you're putting out an energy signature into the universe by typing, it's mine now. This chair you're sitting in and watching me is the very chair that you're sitting in right now, receiving the manifestation. That's how real you should make it in your imagination. The final tip when it comes to visualization is do this every single day. So close your eyes and start looking around the vision. See everything clearly in your mind, because you've already described it before. You have an image to give you a reference. If it's money flowing, watch the money flowing from the sky and moving all around you. See yourself doing what you will with that money. See yourself giving back to people. See yourself making other people happy with that money. The key is to practice this every day. A good practice is to do this with your morning routine. If you don't have a routine, learn it, okay? Having a daily manifestation routine is what makes you a bigger magnet to receive things than not having a routine. Hi, I just got to plug in something here. Since we're talking about a daily manifestation routine to magnetize your energy every day towards the day that you want to have, towards the life that you want to have. If you don't have one already, don't worry, there's a training coming up just for you. So what's going to happen in this training? When is it going to happen? Is it free? Yes, it's free. So I just want to tell you, on the 30th, which is Friday, okay, 30th of October at 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, replays will be available. We're having a training called The Most Powerful Manifestation Routine. This is the second last time we're doing this training for free, so you want to definitely not miss this one. You're learning 3 things here. The first one is the actual routine. We call it the tree, okay? You're going to learn a lot of cool stuff, okay? There's a lot of content, a law of attraction content in this particular section of the training. We're also going to talk about what are the 4 attractive factors that make the routine work so beautifully. So we're going to talk a lot about some really, really cool stuff here. And then we're going to walk into how do you make the impossible dream into a possible reality? And we're going to give you some cool stuff here again. Now, this is a practical class, which means you're going to learn a lot of takeaway practical lessons here for you to do at home. You're learning the routine. You're learning a lot of cool stuff. Like I said, this is the second last time we're giving out this particular training for free. The very last time will happen at the end of November, and that's it. We're not going to do this training again. So don't miss this one if you're ready to get started and learn and start working on it immediately from the 1st of November, because you're going to learn the routine on 30th. Okay, you can register for this class. It's in the description box. It'll also probably be as a pinned comment. Don't miss this training. Thousands of people have taken this training before you, and their current life is a testament to what can happen when you magnetize your energy every single morning to attract what you want. It's a very powerful routine. Please come learn it and you will not regret it. So you will do this particular visualization tips that I've given you today along with your morning routine every single day. This is what makes you a magnet. This is what makes it easy. This is what makes it into, when you practice this over and over again, it becomes super easy and second nature. And that's it. That is the tips that you need to know on how to visualize step by step. You've gotten everything you need, from detailed description to picking out an image or drawing yourself before you start the visualization. When in the visualization, start with looking around, trying to get the images clear. If you can't get it clear, just practice and practice and draw and practice and practice. Pull out images if you need to, create a vision board if you need to, so you have a reference of an image to start looking at, so you can reproduce that or remember that when you close your eyes and start looking around that particular image and start walking around it. So that's it. That's the steps to visualize, the tips to visualize easily step by step. I hope that this video was of value to you. Make sure you like it if you appreciate this video, and if you don't like this video, go ahead and tell me what kind of video would you like, what would you like me to talk about, and go ahead and comment that below so I have an idea and I can make more videos on things that you want. So curious, are you going to practice these tips with your visualization practice daily? If you are, go ahead and comment yes or no in the comment section. I'd like to know. And finally, remember, we're having a class coming up. Make sure you register for it. This is the second last time we ever doing this class. Don't miss it. I look forward to seeing you at the class. I love you and see you soon.